Welcome to watch the user guide for A10. Get to know the A10. Smartphone holder, LED light, extension rod, tripod, remote control, LED power button, lock knob for LED, menu knob, mode switch knob, gimbal power button, Bluetooth indicator, battery indicator. Loosen the menu knob firstly, then unfold the gimbal. Tighten the menu knob. Stretch the extension rod and open the tripod. Make sure it is stable now. This is the lock knob for switch gimbal mode and the selfie stick mode. Push it to the right. Go to selfie stick mode. Phone holder can't be rotated. Push it to the left. Switch to gimbal mode. Phone holder can be rotated. Make sure it is in gimbal mode. Install the phone and adjust the center. Long press the gimbal power button to turn on the device. Rotate the phone and it will go back to original position when the force disappears. When the phone holder is on road direction, camera moving left to right when object to horizontal movement. Press the lock knob at both sides of holder to remove the holder. Align the buckle of the smartphone holder with the mounted assembly position. Rotate the direction to keep smartphone and remote control on the same side. Now the phone holder is on tilt direction. Camera moving up-down when object to upward-backward movement. Phone holder can be installed in opposite direction, which is suitable for left-hand use. When recover the phone holder to road direction, need align the icon on holder back and the mounted icon. Extension rod has 5 sections with 39.6 cm adjustable length. There is fixed folding direction for the extension. Be careful not to exert reverse or lateral force, otherwise it may damage the extension rod. When phone holder is on road direction, the extension rod can be extended with 5 sections max. When phone holder is on tilt direction, the extension rod is not extended more than 2 sections. The red button on the top of LED light is the lock button. Push the lock button to remove the LED light. Align the side buckle of the LED light and the side buckle of the phone clip and install. It supports front and rear installation. Long press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on and off. Click the button to adjust the light mode and brightness, supporting 3 types of lights, with 3 levels of brightness adjustment for each type of light. Double-click the button in any light mode to activate SOS mode. Click again to exit. Press and hold the power button to power on. Remote control can be removed directly. Press any key of the remote control to activate. It will connect to the gimbal automatically. Indicator is blue means remote control Bluetooth is connected successfully. Install the remote control by aligning it with the slot. Go to Phone Settings, Bluetooth page. Find A10, then click Pair to connect successfully. Click the shutter button of the remote control to take photos, record video. Work in both selfie stick mode and gimbal mode. Single press the left key to switch between landscape and portrait mode. Double press to start the clockwise inception shooting. Press the shutter button 2 times to exit. Smartphone will go back to center. Press and hold the left key to rotate the angle. Release to stop to the rotating. Double press the shutter button to exit. Single press the right key to enter FPV mode. When the indicator is green, means gimbal is in FPV mode. Smartphone will follow the handle movement. Double press to start the anti-clockwise inception shooting. Press the shutter button 2 times to exit. Press and hold the right key to rotate the angle. Release to stop to the rotating. Double press the shutter button to exit. When phone holder is on the tilt direction, press and hold left or right key to adjust the shooting direction.